Pie Crafters Weekend Workshops. So the Weekend Workshops program happens on a bi-weekly basis, and we're going to cover it in 2 different sprints. So we start out with an hour-long class, and that's for kids, and it helps them learn the basics of programming and eventually moves them into the basics of robotics. So by the end of the workshop, kids will have the opportunity to build their own robot from scratch and also compete with their robots in a race. The adults workshop takes a little bit of a different perspective from the kids workshop, and we do a lot more advanced principles and concepts such as software engineering and a very advanced coding. So we get into things like algorithmic work, and by the end of the workshop, 6-month period, we would expect that the adults will have built their own fairly advanced website from scratch. Pie Crafters Weekend Workshops, starting January 11th on a bi-weekly basis, Saturday afternoons. The adults software engineering program covers the basics of software engineering. The kids session covers the beginnings of robotics and programming along with electronics. Pie Crafters Weekend Workshops, starting January 11th at the Stourbridge Project.